Hi, my name is Brandon. Today I'm going to be opening a Pokemon Evolutions pack. And I have lid on my forehead because I colored on it. We have an Eevee coin, we have a Weezing. Let's get open this pack.
Weezing? Ooh, can you get in there?
Yeah. Oh no. I don't know about it. Oh, there you go.
You got it? There you go. Alright.
The color down.
Comes with a coin too.
Look at the coin.
Who's on the coin?
Eevee.
Weezy?
Eevee.
Eevee. Oh, okay.
A Eevee coin.
Let me see. Let's see the Eevee coin. Nice. Cool. And then
And we have a Weezing.
Weezing. You gonna sneeze?
No.
Alright, what pack you got there?
Evolution pack.
Evolutions, nice.
Wow. You have a code card. Show the front. Just go to front. Okay. A Kinkuna.
Kakuna, nice.
Coughing.
Yep, coffee.
Ooh, Ghastly.
Ghastly.
They're weird. Hey, we have a Magikarp.
Yeah.
Ooh, we have a Electabuzz.
Cool.
I think he was one of my favorite Pokemon.
Electabuzz?
Yeah. Vulpix.
Oh, here, hold that a little straighter. There you go. Vulpix. Cool.
Let's get the card. A Rattata.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, this was, I think, my strongest Pokemons in my Pokemon Go game. Stony.
Starmie, nice. That's a nice looking card.
Yeah, it's a rare
Is that
card.
Huh?
It's a rare card.
It's a rare card? Nice.
Ooh, this one's Dongon.
Here, hold it straighter. There you go. Dugong.
Dugong.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh,
That's Charmeleon.
Charmeleon.
You know that.
Yeah. Oh, and bye.
You all done?
Yeah, bye.